In this video, we're going to have a look at how to change your default folder for presets in Vital. I've come across this a couple of times on various forums and by other users having issues with having not being able to change their default folder for presets. And it's quite easy to change this. All you have to do, if you already have Vital installed, if you hit Windows key and R and then run AppData folder, it will take you to your AppData roaming folder. And in here, you want to look for a folder called Vital, which the config is stored. All you have to do is delete that folder. And next time you fire up Vital, it's going to prompt you to log in. So let's just fire up Ableton Live. And I'm going to grab Vital over here. And now it's going to prompt me to log in. So I'm just going to type in my email address. And while it's downloading all the packs from the internet, you can specify the folder here. So in my case, I have it installed on F under presets. And then it's going to create a folder called Vital. So all my presets are already like mapped in that folder. So I already have it created. And then you just press install. And if you go to your preset section, you're going to see that you have all your presets available right here. So it's this folder structure. It's presets, Vital, then name of the actual preset pack, then another folder called presets, and then comes all the and then comes the name of the preset pack with all the presets inside of them. So that's how you do it.